Are you curious about mastering the culinary art of cooking with lean proteins, creating delicious and health-conscious dishes that tantalize your taste buds while supporting your well-being? The Art of Cooking with Lean Proteins is your culinary guide to understanding how to prepare and savor lean protein sources that are both satisfying and good for your body. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the world of lean proteins, unveiling the secrets of how to cook them to perfection, creating dishes that are both nutritious and full of flavor. 1. The Culinary Challenge. In the opening paragraph, introduce the challenge of cooking with lean proteins, often perceived as a culinary puzzle due to their reputation for being dry or flavorless. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unlocking the art of crafting delectable lean protein dishes. 2. Understanding lean proteins. Begin by defining what lean proteins are and why they matter. Describe how they are low in fat and high in protein, making them an ideal choice for those seeking to maintain a healthy diet. 3. Importance of lean proteins. Delve into the importance of including lean proteins in your diet. Explain how they support muscle development, aid in weight management, and provide essential nutrients like amino acids. 4. Cooking techniques. Discuss various cooking techniques that can transform lean proteins. Highlight methods like grilling, baking, and stir-frying that help retain flavor and moisture. 5. Marinades and flavor enhancers. Explore the role of marinades and flavor enhancers in elevating lean proteins. Share ideas for creating marinades using herbs, spices, and citrus to infuse your dishes with taste. 6. Balanced accompaniments. Highlight the significance of serving lean proteins with balanced accompaniments. Discuss the importance of pairing them with vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats to create a satisfying and nutritious meal. 7. Recipe ideas. Share a variety of recipe ideas that showcase the versatility of lean proteins. Offer examples such as grilled chicken with a zesty citrus marinade, seared fish with herbs, or a stir-fry loaded with lean cuts of beef and vibrant vegetables. 8. The long-term culinary journey. Conclude with the idea that mastering the art of cooking with lean proteins isn't just about creating a single meal, it's a lifelong commitment to preparing dishes that are both delicious and supportive of your health and fitness goals. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of cooking with lean proteins but will also be motivated to experiment with lean protein sources, elevating their culinary skills to create dishes that are both nutritious and delightful. The Art of Cooking with Lean Proteins is a journey into the world of culinary wisdom, where every meal becomes an opportunity to nourish your body, develop your culinary expertise, and savor the delightful flavors and benefits of lean protein-rich dishes. So, let's embark on this lean protein culinary journey and discover the remarkable art of cooking with these healthy and flavorful ingredients. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.